Hello everyone, my name's David Wildman, welcome to BTech. I first want to give a shout out to our sponsors Direct Mobiles. They have 23 years of award-winning customer service and are experts at choosing the right phone for you. Check the description down below for a link to their website where you'll find some great deals on the very latest handsets. Now on with the show. Today we have an unboxing for you of the Samsung Galaxy A8. This is their latest mid-range handset, which was released in January this year, but has only just become available in Europe. So this is a very quick, simple unboxing for you, just to give you a little bit of insight if you was interested in buying the Galaxy A8. So being a step down from the S9 range, the A8 comes in simpler packaging, a plain white box with the simple A8 logo in blue on the front. On the back, Samsung highlights some of the features, the infinity display, the dual front cameras, and the IP68 water and dust resistance. So let's look in the box. Lift the lid and you're greeted with the handset. I went for the classic black version, but the handset is available in two other colours, orchid grey and gold, both of which you'll find at Direct Mobiles if you check their site. First impressions, and it feels good in the hand. The all metal construction covered in glass pretty much looks like an S9 but without the curved edge glass. On the back there's a 16 megapixel camera with an f1.7 lens and an LED flash. There is also a fingerprint scanner positioned just below the camera, which is an improvement from having it on the side, although having it underneath means that you still smudge the camera lens unintentionally. Inside this box you'll find the usual quick start guides and the SIM ejection tool. A pair of headphones with a 1/4-inch jack that also act as the aerial for your FM radio, a USB Type-C cable, and one of Samsung's adaptive fast chargers. The Samsung Galaxy A8 has a 5.6-inch Super AMOLED Infinity display with a resolution of 1080 by 2220 in the 18.5 by 9 aspect ratio. The A8 runs the Exynos 7885 chipset with an octa-core processor and a Mali G71 GPU. It has 32 gigs of internal storage, which is expandable up to 256 gigabytes. Although this is a lower end device, it does feel premium and has some excellent features and hardware. There is a bezel there, but it's a nice overall design. It keeps the headphone jack, there's expandable storage. It also has those dual front-facing selfie cameras for portrait-style selfies with blurred out backgrounds. Although I wish they'd stuck the second camera on the rear. And that's just about it. Just a quick unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy A8. Leave a comment, like or dislike, and I will see you next time.